Hi everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. My name is Ram. I'm DevOps and Cloud Trainer. Recently we have started one new batch which is DevOps with AWS, which is a master program. So we have completed 3 demos which are like DevOps introduction and also AWS introduction and also question and answers. Today we have completed 3rd demo which is question and answer. Today, due to some technical issues, session was disconnected. This was the first time we faced the issue, which is a disconnection issue. So we haven't faced any issues so far, right? This will not be repeated again and again. So Monday onwards, regular sessions will be started. The people who are not attended so far will get the recording sessions. You can go through the recording sessions and you can attend the sessions from Monday onwards. Okay. So Monday we are going to discuss about servers, networks basics. What is server? What is network? What is switch? What is router? What is load balancer? What is IP address? Gateway, subnet mask. These all will be covered. So Monday session is very, very important. Don't miss the session on Monday.